All right, here's another update for you as it relates to the overtime regulations that came out and dropped yesterday from the U.S. Department of Labor. 5 things that you want to know hot off the presses from that material. I'll, of course, follow it up more with some things in writing, but for now, I want to make sure that I gave you as much as I could as I'm reading through the 260 pages because I have nothing better to do. Okay, number 1, that 2016 original reg that we thought might go through, and then right there at the end, they pulled it away. Well, they've officially rescinded it. It is poof, gone. Number 2, remember that there's now a new salary level that's been proposed that's going to go into effect on January 1st of 20. Now that number is actually a little bit higher than was proposed back in March. The number is now $684 a week or $35,568 a year. That's just one of the things that's different. The other thing is for highly qualified employees, right? Those folks who can use one part of the duties test but have to meet a different threshold. Used to be $100,000. It currently is $100,000, but it's going to change, and it's different again than the proposal back in March. This one is going from $100,000 to $107,432 a year. Now you're probably thinking, again, not that big a deal, except remember that back in March, that number was actually about $40,000 more. So interesting how that got changed in the final analysis. Next, of course, we still have bonuses. We've kept that part, so you can use up to 10% of the aggregate number that you can use towards bonuses in order to reach the threshold, which is awesome. And finally, one thing that everyone should already know, and they reiterated it in the materials, all 260 pages plus that I've now at least read once, but don't worry, I'll go back and read some more before I give you some more stuff in writing. And it's this notion, it's the fact that it is not about the title. You can call people whatever they want. If they're supposed to get overtime, whether you say they're salaried or you say that they're hourly, they still got to actually get it if the actual duties that they achieve and the things that they do make them so that they should be overtime eligible. Something to think about. I hope these 5 things were helpful to you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye now.